So at 2030 Lonnie Lane, Julia Ann Bice, that filed a restraining order on me, has the same middle name as Judge Lorianne Mateus up at Fernley Courts, who threw me to arraignment to Judge John Schlegelmilch's court. And Susan Jean Lori Dunn has the same middle name as Jean Malone at 2030. These people, this is biased conspiracy against anybody that speaks up against the Vatican on the internet. And look at that. They've been remoting into neighbors' computers. Cord Ellison's a United States Marine Corps, and Joshua Swanik too. They've been remoting into neighbors' computers. Look whose garbage can is still out at 2029. Oh, look, Jeremy's garbage can is still out. It's Friday night. The garbage has already been dumped. So the neighbors have been across the street, been hiking over their own trash into other neighbors' garbage cans around here. That's criminal entrapment. That's false evidence placement. And look, the tree, Jesus Christ was crucified to a cross made from a tree, a wooden tree. This is Julianne Bice. This is corruption. Judge John Schlegelmilch wrote my father a letter in 2016 thanking him for being a juror, and even said that he has great respect. That is juror tampering from Judge John Schlegelmilch. They just recently said that I am not competent for trial at Judge John Schlegelmilch's court. None of them want to admit that they're biased when they don't need to. They need to repent from conspiracy, from framing neighbors. It is Friday, March 6, 2026. Judge Camille Vecchiarelli recused my case out of bias and had me put over to Judge Lorianne Matthews October 28, 2025. And it turns out Judge Lorianne Matthews has the same middle name as Julianne Bice across the street. That is dirty, nasty bias. William Francis Dunn III was a juror at the 3rd Judicial District Court in 2016, and Judge Schlegelmilch wrote William Francis Dunn III, my father, who lived at the same address, and it's even on there, this address that I live at, thanking him for being a juror. Judge John Schlegelmilch has no honor right now, and he needs to repent. He has honorable in front of his name. And I'm told by Kel Brock that there's only one case against me. Multiple times I've been told this. And Robert Wildman and Susan Loring also told me I only have one case against me right now. And now I've been told I am not competent for trial. That is corruption. Because Judge John Schlegelmilch, that is bias. How is Judge John Schlegelmilch, after writing my father with great respect at the end of the letter, how is that not jury tampering? How is that not bias? You need to repent, Judge John Schlegelmilch, because it looks like you want me in jail or an insane asylum until 2030 or 2031. Jesus Christ, you have people, I'm told this is a Christian nation, but the court would flip out if they had me swear, so God help me. And if I didn't say, so God help me, I said Jesus Christ instead. So Jesus Christ help me when they had me swear on a book. Treason's being committed at these courts. That is hypocrisy. If this is a Christian nation, how come you can't say Jesus Christ's name in the court of law? So anyways, looks like Judge John Schlegelmilch, God, Jesus Christ wants Judge John Schlegelmilch to be a prophet and a judge like Samuel in the Bible, in the book of Samuel. And, oh yeah, Samantha Edmondo is the district attorney. And Samuel Figueroa dropped my case and gave me my money back in January. This is very corrupt. This is very dirty. And you all need to repent. Uncorrupted courts in America, in this county of Lyon County. Lion means Pope Leo the 14th. Leo means lion. And Lyon County, lion means lion. And Brad Pope is the sheriff of this county. And Pope Leo the 14th is from Chicago, Illinois. And Shayla C. Holmes is related to these people across the street, and Shayla C. Holmes, the public guardian of this county, influenced this restraining order against me. This is government corruption in this county. I hope to God you people repent from enforcing lawlessness. You do not have the respect for the rule of law. You say the rule of law, but that is weaponized litigation, a darvel. You need to repent. Yeah, my sister Katie Logan had children with a Jefferson Silver. Jefferson Silver is the son of Carol Lou Silver, who is a lawyer in San Francisco, a civil rights attorney. And Judge John Schlegelmilch has a silver Windows computer next to a skeleton on his judicial bench at 3rd District Court in Yerington, Nevada. A skeleton with a fishing rod in his hand. Judge John Schlegelmilch has been dishonest with surveillance and needs to repent.